Alright, here we are on the Empty Skull Ranch for another cold start video. I don't know if you can see the beardsicles or if I wiped them off, but it is in the teens, but it's way colder than it was for the Chevy cold start video. We're talking wind chill whipping, like it is freezing. So let's see if the 85 6.9 IDI will roar to life. I'm gonna think that maybe we should run the glow plugs for a little bit. So let's run the glow plugs for a little bit, just a little bit. I will be tickled pink if this thing barks off. It's alive! It's alive! Pretty damn good. '85 Internationals S 1654 6.9 IDI. What a good motor.